Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find and how to edit your travel information in the AirAsia application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and you will see there a symbol with your initials. Press on it. After doing so, you should scroll down a little bit and you will see there the my account information option. Press on that, and here you should select the second option, which is travel information. After doing so, it will take you to another page where you have to fill out some information regarding your passport details, national identity card, and emergency contact. Now, I don't see any point to fill out all of these regions. You can do it yourself. In my case, I would only write here just random things. For example, the passport number, random numbers, and all of these things. Now, all you have to do is just fill out every thing here, basically. And after you are done with all of these, you just have to press save and your travel information will be updated. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.